JEE CBSE Classes. Yeah, let us have a discussion. We are in that exercise 7.11. To evaluate these type of integrals, integral 0 to 2 x into root of 2 minus x into dx. So here we are going to apply by using integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Okay, students. So it will becomes, let us consider this is I equal to integral 0 to 2, wherever x is there, 2 minus x into root over 2 minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to 2 2 minus x into root over 2 minus 2 plus x into dx. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So you will get it as integral 0 to 2 2 minus x into root x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to 2 2 into root x dx minus integral 0 to 2 x into root x into dx. So which is equal to 2 we can bring outside. Integral root x is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Applying the limit 0 to 2 minus integral 0 to 2 x power 3 by 2 into dx. So it will be equal to 4 by 3. So applying the limits 0 to 2, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0 minus x power 3 by 2 integration. 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Okay. So 2 by 5, applying the limits x power 5 by 2, applying the limits 0 to 2. So 4 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 to 2. Minus 2 by 5, 2 power 5 by 2. We can write it as 2 power 5 by 2 as 4, this is 8 by 3 root 2 minus 2 by 5 into 2 power 5 by 2 can be written as 4 by 2 plus 1. So it is 4 plus 4 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2 into root 2. Okay, students. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 square 4, 4 into 2, 8. 8 by 5 into root 2. So what will be common? 8 root 2 will be common. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Take out LCM. 8 root 2, 15 is the LCM. 3 5s, 5 minus 5 3s. So 8 root 2 into 2 by 15, which is equal to 16 root 2 by 15. I hope you have understood it, students. We will move on to another question. Another question. So little lengthy questions coming. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log, so 2 log x, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x into dx. This is completely in one bracket. So they are asking to find this value. Okay, dear students. So first, what we have to do is first we need to simplify this, whatever the values are there. Integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 log x can be written as log sin x square minus log sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x. Into dx. In the next step, log a minus log b. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x square divided by 2 sin x into cos x into dx. So one of the sin x is going to get cancelled. We can write it as integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x log a minus log ab. So we can write it as minus log cos x minus log 2 into dx. This we can assume that equation number I. Equation number 1 also you can take it, dear students. So by using the property, by using integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So this I value will becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of pi by 2 minus x minus log of cos of pi by 2 minus x minus log 2, it won't change anything, into dx. Equation number 2, dear students. 1 minute. After that, we are going to add equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 respectively, I plus I to I. So limits are same, no? We can add directly 0 to pi by 2. So sorry, first we need to simplify the students, then only it will be easy. Okay, I'm very sorry. First we need to simplify before adding. So which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x minus log of sin x minus log 2. Okay, dear students. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So I plus I to I integral 0 to pi by 2. In the first equation, whatever the terms are there, we are writing here log of sin x minus log of cos x minus log 2 plus log x plus log of cos x minus log of sin x minus log 2 into dx. I hope everyone understands this, friends. So plus log of sin x minus log of sin x minus log of cos x plus log of cos x get cancelled. 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 minus log 2 minus log 2 minus 2 log 2 into dx. So both sides 2 to get cancelled. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 minus take it out log 2 into dx. Even log 2 constant to bring outside minus log 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. What is integral dx? X. Applying the limits minus log 2 x 0 to pi by 2. So I is equal to minus log x into pi by 2 minus 0. So I is equal to minus pi by 2 log x. We can leave it like this, otherwise we can keep it as dear students. So sorry, log 2 dear students. So this also we can bring out pi by 2 minus log 2, that minus also can bring as a power, pi by 2 log 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2. So pi by 2 log 1 by 2 dear students. So therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 log x, 2 log of sin x, 2 log of sin x minus log sin x into dx is equal to pi by 2 log 1 by 2. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to the question. Now come to the next question. Next question. Okay, question number 11, sorry. I did not write integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Next, question number, better to write here. Question number 12, integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x into dx. This is a little important question, dear students, for the boards. First, the given integral is as soon as I is equal to sin square x is an even function, we can write it as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. So why we are writing like this? Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is an even function, which is equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function. So this is a very important property, dear students. So because of this is even function, we wrote like this. Okay. After that, you take it as equation number 1 by using again the property integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Equation 1 will becomes I equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square of pi by 2 minus x into dx, which is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx will come. Equation number 2, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So 2i equal to, here 2 take common, integral 0 to pi by 2. Here also, here sin square x, here cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x into dx. This value goes to be 1 now. Both sides 2 to get cancelled. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. So that is equal to integral dx is x, applying the limit 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 0, therefore I equal to given integral. What is that given integral? 0 to, sorry, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x dx is equal to pi by 2. Okay, students, we'll move on to our question. Let us consider the given integral as I. You keep that equation number 1 by using integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So by using this procedure, I equal to integral 0 to pi minus x divided by 1 plus sine of pi minus x into dx. So which is equal to I equal to integral 0 to pi by 1 minus sine of pi minus x is sine x into dx minus integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sine of pi minus x is sine x into dx. From equation 1, this value goes to be I equal to integral 0 to pi bring out sine 1 by 1 plus sine x minus I since from equation 1. Minus I bring this sine to 2i equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sine x multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sine x to get the formula form in integration. So pi integral 0 to pi 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x into 1 minus sine x is 1 minus sine square x, that is cos square x. Everyone knows about this. So pi integral 2i equal to integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square x into dx minus integral 0 to pi 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x into dx. So now 2i equal to pi into integral 0 to pi secant square x dx minus integral 0 to pi secant x tan x. So 2I equal to pi into integral secant square x is tan x. Applying the limit 0 to pi minus integral secant x tan x is secant x. Applying the limit 0 to pi. So 2I equal to pi into tan 0 and tan by both are zeros. Secant pi is minus 1, secant 0 is 1, minus 1. So 2I is equal to pi into minus of minus 2. So 2I equal to 2 pi, I equal to pi. That is, what is I? We assume that integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx is equal to pi. I hope you will understand the students. We'll move on to another questions. Yeah, we'll move to another question. Question number 13, dear students. Next. Question number 13. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 7x into dx. And question number 14. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x into dx. So like this already we've done here students, this type of problem, but still we are doing here. Let us consider the given integral as I. First we need to verify f of x function equal to sine power sin x, 7x. First we need to verify whether it is even function or odd function. So f of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. So minus x directly I am writing. Sine power 7 of minus x, odd power means minus sine power 7x will come, which is equal to minus f of x. So f of x equal to minus, f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So clearly f of x is an odd function. I hope understand this students. After that, I am going to write a property. We know that integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is an even function which is equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function. According to our question, it is an odd function now. So therefore the given integral value goes to be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 7x dx is equal to 0. Okay. We'll move on to another question. Even here also I am going to verify f of x is equal to cos power 5x. Here limits are 2 pi, so f of 2 pi minus x I am checking. Cos power 5 of 2 pi minus x. 2 pi means 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. It will be positive. So cos power 5x, even function only. So even we can write it. Otherwise simply f of x. So by using this given property, f integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit dx is equal to if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, which is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Clearly you observe that it is f of x means this will happen. So by using above property we will have the result. Okay. So 2 times of 0 to pi cos power 5x into dx. Again we need to check, dear students. F of x is equal to cos power 5x. F of pi minus x we need to do that. So cos power 5 of pi minus x. Cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta odd power here. Minus cos power 5x will come. Minus f of x. Okay. So again by using the same property, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, which is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. This case only happens here, dear students. So that's why integral 2 into 0 to pi cos power 5x dx value goes to be 0, since it is another function. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another questions. Okay, dear students. I'll drop this. We'll go to another set of questions. And question number 15. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Next, 16th question, little lengthy, but we will do it. Yeah, question number 16. Let us consider this is an integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay, these two questions we are going to do, dear students. this question. First, let us consider this given integral as I and we put as equation number 1. Okay. By using integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So I value will becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 sine of pi by 2 minus x, wherever x is there we replace with this, minus cos of pi by 2 minus x by 1 plus sine of pi by 2 minus x cos of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x or cos x into sin x. No change dear students from this. So adding 1 and 2. If add 1 and 2, I plus I to I, even denominators and limits also same. So 1 plus cos x into sin x. In numerators we are going to add sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x into dx. So okay dear students, plus sin x minus sin x plus cos x minus cos x. So ultimately numerator value goes to be 0. Integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 by 1 plus cos x into sin x into dx. So 0 by anything is 0. So 2i equal to 0, I equal to 0. That is, I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x whole divided by 1 plus cos x into sin x, value goes to be 0. Okay, we'll move on to another set of question. Next question. This is little important and keep it as equation number 1. Let I equal to. So by using the property, by using integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So I will becomes integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos of pi minus x into dx. So this will becomes I equal to 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos of pi minus x is minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x into dx. Keep it as equation number 2. After that adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So I plus I to I integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx plus integral 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x into dx. So 2i equal to integral 0 to pi log a plus log b, both limits are same, so log ab, that means 1 minus cos square x into dx. So 2i equal to integral 0 to pi log 1 minus cos square x, log a plus log a, yes, sin square x will come into dx. So 2i equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi log sin x into dx. Again 2 get cancelled. You put as equation number 3. Again by using the property, by using 1 minute students. First we need to verify integral 0 to 2a. Here pi by 2 is not there. 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit f of x dx. If f of a minus x, 2a minus x equal to f of x, which is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to f of minus f of x. We will verify whether it is correct or not. So I am verifying that I equal to log of sin x value will become as f of x only will come. So log of sin of pi minus x is sin x. So it will becomes 0 to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. Since f of pi minus x equal to log of sin pi minus x, that is equal to log sin x. So equation number 4. Again by using integral 0 to a f of x dx. We have 2 already cancelled. Now it is 2 coming here by using this property. Equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So it will be I equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of pi by 2 minus x into dx. I equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx. Equation number 5. Again adding 1 and 4 and 5. Adding 4 and 5. So 2i equal to 2 take common integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x into dx. So 2 get cancelled. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b log a b. So log sin x into cos x dx. Here only very important logic is there. So listen carefully. Multiplying by 2 dividing by 2, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x minus log 2 into dx. This value I am going to find. Put 2x is equal to t, 2dx is equal to dt. So whenever you are taking a division, limits will change now. Upper limit. When x is equal to pi by 2, t value goes to be pi, lower limit. This is the upper limit. When x is equal to 0, t value goes to be 0. Only for first term. I is equal to integral 0 to pi log sin t dt so this is d by 2, 1 by 2 minus this will become log 2 integral dx is x applying the limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay, dear students, I will find a place for that. Is it sufficient place? I equal to 0 to pi log of sin x dx. So from equation 3, this is by using variable change property. I equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi log of sin x dx minus log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. This value will become as I since from equation 3. So I equal to 1 by 2 I minus log 2 into pi by 2. So I by 2 will bring the sign I minus I by 2 equal to minus log 2 into pi by 2. Log 2 into pi by 2. So I by 2 will come minus pi by 2 into log 2. So 2 get cancelled, which is equal to I is equal to minus pi log 2. What we can write? That is the question. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx is equal to minus pi log 2. Even that also minus if you want to remove, pi log 1 by 2 also we can write here, students, otherwise. Okay, I hope you understand. I will move to another questions. Question number 17 we will go it. Integral 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x into dx. So question number 18, integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 into dx. So let us consider the given integral as I. Let I equal to, keep that equation number 1. By using the property, by using integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Now I equal to integral 0 to a, wherever x is there, a minus x you have to replace by root of a minus x plus root of a minus x into dx. So I equal to integral 0 to a root a minus x by root a minus x plus root x into dx. Equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, I plus I to I, integral 0 to a, observe these students, root x plus root a minus x, root x plus root a minus x, divided by denominators are same. So root of a minus x plus root x into dx. So both the numerator and denominator will be cancelled out. So 2I is equal to integral 0 to a dx. Integral dx is x, applying the limit 0 to a minus 0. So 2I is equal to I is equal to a by 2. That is integral 0 to a root x minus root of x plus root a minus x into dx is equal to a by 2. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to another question here. In the real number line, 0, 1, 4 according to this 0, 1, 4. From 0 to 1, 1 to 4. 0 to 1 means x is less than 1. 1 to 4 means x is greater than 1. So mod x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1, otherwise 1 minus x. If x is less than 1, mod x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 if x is greater than 1. So you need to remember these 2 points. Integral 0 to 1 mod x minus 1 into dx plus integral 1 to 4 mod x minus 1 into dx. X is less than 1, mod x minus 1 value will become as 1 minus x only, 0 to 1, 1 minus x into dx. Integral 1 to 4 mod x minus 1 value will become as x minus 1 into dx. So integral 1 into dx is x applying the limit 0 to 1 minus integral x dx is x square by 2 applying the limit 0 to 1 plus integral x dx is x square by 2 applying the limits 1 to 4 minus integral dx is x applying the limits 1 to 4. So 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 plus 4 square 16 by 2 means 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 by 2 minus 3. So 15 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 14 by 2, that is 7. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which is equal to 5. Therefore, integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx is equal to 5. I hope you understand. We will move on to another set of questions and last 2 questions. It will take time, dear students. Question number 19. Show that integral 0 to a f of x into g of x dx equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f and g are defined as f of x is equal to f of a minus x and g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. This information provided to students. We'll prove it first, this one, whether it is correct or not. So they are asking to prove this result. So first what we have to do is integral 0 to a f of x into g of x into dx is equal to. So by using the properties now, since by using integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So by using this property it will becomes integral 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x into dx. As f of x equal to f of a minus x, in place of f of a minus x, I am writing integral 0 to a f of x into g of a minus x into dx. Okay? I put that equation number 1. Integral 0 to a f of x g of a minus x into dx. This is equation number 1. This is 2, dear students. So 0 to a f of x into g of x into dx. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, so we are adding both the integral 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x. Limits are same, just we are changing that. Plus we are adding the only functions f of x into g of a minus x into dx. Okay, dear students. If you do this, it won't come, dear students. First, the given integral itself is I, that you can take it as 1. This is 1. Equation 1. Later on, this equation will become this one. So I is equal to I plus I is 2 on is equal to. This will become, wherever f of x is there, g of x is there, you can replace with a minus x. So in place of f of x, we are replacing with f of g minus x by using this property. Now adding 1 and 2 to I equal to this one plus this one into dx. Now limits are same, you can add 2i equal to 0 to a f of x g of x plus f of a minus x into g of a minus x dx. So wherever f of x is there in this, we can replace with integral 0 to a f of x g of a minus x into dx. We can write it. So even here also we can write, actually here also we can write it directly. So what term will be common? Integral 0 to a f of x will be common, g of x plus g of a minus x into dx. Since g of x plus g of a minus x value is given as g of a minus x is given as 4. In place of this you have to replace with 4. So integral 0 to a f of x into 4 dx. So 2I equal to, so 2 1s, 2 2s. So I equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. What is I? We assume that given. That is integral 0 to a f of x dx, g of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x. So logically it is, they ask the question, dear students. We will move to another questions. Now 2 questions are there. We are going to finish our question number 20. The value of integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 into dx is equal to first option, second option, third option, fourth option, 0, 2, pi and 1. If we come to the next question, question number 21, the value of, this is asked in the previous NCERT and JEE integral 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x into dx is equal to minus 2, 0, 4 by 3, sorry, 3 by 4, 2 plus 2. Dear students, if you take this question, given integral as I, you can take it, integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1. You take it as this is f of x into dx. Observe clearly, I is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 f of x dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 into dx. First I am going to verify f of x is an odd function or even function. Here f of x is equal to x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x. F of minus x equal to minus x cube minus x into cos x, cos of minus theta is cos theta itself, minus tan power 5x. So minus take common, we will write it as x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x. So minus f of x, odd function only, no? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. F of x is an odd function. Whenever it is odd function, by using the property minus a to a, f of x dx equal to 0, if f of minus x equal to minus f of x. I hope everyone understands, dear students. So this is the property. So I equal to, this value goes to be 0, integral dx is x, apply the limits minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Therefore, the given integral value goes to be pi. Pi is there in the third option, dear students. Now move to another question here. Here also I am going to verify whether it is even function or odd function. So first f of x log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4. No need. This is equation number 1. You can take it, dear students. So by using the property 0 to a f of x dx, integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx, if you apply, it becomes I equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x plus 3 into sin x will come, dear students. Equation number 2, adding on to 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b. So log 4 plus cos 3x by 4 plus 3 sin x into log a plus log b is log a b only. So 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x into dx. So integral 0 to pi by 2 log 1. Log 1 means 0. So integral 0 is 0. So I goes to be 0. The given integral value goes to be 0, dear students. I hope everyone understand. Thank you, dear students. Till now, in integrals, we finished the 7.11 exercise. In the coming days, the other exercises and including miscellaneous also, I will start. Not only these boards, but also JEE CBSE questions, JEE any entrance examination questions also will come to you in the coming days. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, Math JEE CBSE Classes.